Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Finally, I'm starting to make sort of weekly videos. If this is your first time in my channel, I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. I got 300ZX twin turbos and a hard body and my Skyline, and I also have that little MR2. Well, something's coming up with that MR2, so stay tuned on that one. Today I'm going to show you the absolute greatest mod that you can do for your 300ZX. Nope, it's not a 4G internal. Nope, it's not bigger turbo. Back in 1990, Nissan never realized that people in North America loves their favorite brew in their car when they go for a drive, so they don't have a cup holder. Bingo! I'm telling you, this is the mod you need, not big turbos, because something needs to hold your coffee, Coke bottle, soda can, beer bottle, alcohol, Hennessy, JD, that, and the other stuff. You need a cup holder. Today I'm going to show you how to install it. So there's going to be two parts of the video. First part is how to make this fit in your previous location, and then the wiring of it. It's actually a pretty simple wiring, so there's just a positive and negative for these USBs. So once you take this off, there's literally two screws, 1, 2, and one more, 3 screws to take this off. You flip it around. Once you flip it around, there's 4 more screws to take that thing off. You remember that? That's something in here. That. Once you take that, you're gonna notice the cigarette lighter portion of it is still here. So you're gonna take a Dremel or a rotisserie tool or whatever works. You're gonna cut that off. Once you cut that off, now you can make this part fit. Let's do that. I'm gonna have to cut this and that part off. So first off, it doesn't look too bad. I still gotta do a little bit of cleanup here in the back. Over here and here, I probably should have done it here too. I just need a little longer screw. So other than that, everything is good to go. Now I'm gonna find the source of power. And the power source is going to be from one of these two, because these were connected to the cigarette lighter, so I'm sure they're receiving full 12 volt energy. It's giving me 14.2 volt when the car is running, so idling it was giving me 11.8, but that's fine. 14.2, that's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to wire up these two to that. All right, so right now I just put the key in and the thing is connected, and the phone, nothing. On, charging. Charging. Alright folks, that looks like a success. I'm having some fitment issue, to tell you the truth. This is sticking up. The issue is actually to do with my installation, not with any defect with the product. I think I'm just gonna have to manage the wires under here a little bit better. I'm gonna take the whole thing off again, do a better wiring management, and slap it back on, and then it should fit. Again, nothing to do with the manufacturing of it. A bunch of guys from the Z group in Canada, they're using it and they love it, and this thing works. Now I have USB fast charger in the car. Yay! Anyway, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification. There are a lot of things that is coming. I keep saying that, and I don't make videos. I just started making the videos again, so just hit the subscribe button and that notification. And the car is gonna go back for a refresh of a tune, because Dan just called me and he said, hey, I got this new package that he bought and he wants to give it a shot in my car. So hey, why not? See you in the next one. So Woo!